Hi everyone, I'm so excited today to be able to share with you an unboxing of one of the brand new Heidi Swap Memory Planner kits. This kit comes just like so in this beautiful little box. It is a 106-piece kit, so when you purchase this kit, you will get everything inside that I'm about to show you. So let's get started. Let me remove the plastic cover. And then I will also remove this cover and show you all the goods. First up is this beautiful traveler's style size notebook. It is pink glitter, and it's much like the previous memory planner cover where the glitter is encapsulated in this really nice smooth cover so it does not come off. And just look at how awesome. I am actually so excited about this planner. I love the size. It's a bit thicker and the quality is just amazing. So once you remove the little elastic tie, you will open it up and you see it has pockets or inserts. There's pockets here, so plenty of stuff or plenty of room to keep all of your planner goodies. And what I'm most excited about are these adorable notebook inserts. You get 3. This one says busy, busy, busy. This one is we're all made of stardust. And this one says choose happy. Now what is awesome about each of these books is that they are all different inside. So this first one has a little title page, and then inside you have the monthly calendar spreads for the year. So they are simple grid, and you can see it has the dates, room for additional notes. So I love this. The next one is probably my favorite template. And in this one, we have all the days of the week, but with room for all sorts of journaling, lists, notes. I just love this design and layout. I think it is fabulous, and I will be using these non-stop. And then in the last insert booklet, this one comes with just blank white paper. So great for journaling, whatever kind of notes, lists, maybe you can even add photos, make some scrapbook pages, whatever you are wanting to use your notebook for, there is pretty much an insert in here that will allow you to do that. And then of course you can always add your own. There is additional room, so you can even add in your own booklets. But how cute. And again, I just love, love, love this size. I think it's awesome. And the quality is amazing. So we will put that back. And then once, again, you open your kit, you will also find in here these really cute washi sticker sheets, all different fun sayings. I'm really adoring this color palette this year. I love the bright pink, the hot yellow and green against the fuchsia and the black. So cute. And then here is some more. So very cute. Also inside, you will find these adorable lip clips. You get a total of 6. And again, so cute to add into your planner as well as other projects. These are probably my favorite. 3 sheets of these adorable stickers. I'm loving, again, the colors, all the bold graphic sayings, the artwork, and I think these are probably my favorite, these little strips. I love the size. I love all the different titles, sayings, all the feels, wander, hustle hard, on the back burner, I will find a way, I can and I will, difficult is not impossible, yes girl, yes, let's do this, reminder, I'm getting to it, stay positive, places to go, peachy keen. And these ones are really cute too. They're tiny little square icons, so those will be fun to fill up. Again, these, and another sheet of those stickers that I love, and in different sayings as well. So tons of fun additions for your planner. And last but not least, this adorable little dotted grin to-do notebook. So it is filled with tons of little blank to-do notebook insert list sheets that we can easily add into our planner or our journal, whatever you want to call it. So you can see, and there's also room you can put in your pen or a pencil, whatever you like to document and memory keep with. So there you have it, an adorable brand new kit that is going to be available very soon, if not right now. And it is perfect for a seasoned planner. It is perfect for a newbie planner. It is perfect for gift giving. I mean, who could not use something like this? Whether you're a mom, a student, just somebody who is busy and wanting to keep track of things, whether it's groceries, fitness, gratitude, memories. It's endless, endless, endless. And this is a beautiful, beautiful kit to help get the job done.